Friday morning. Today we're going to actually start looking at gas laws and what gas laws are, and we're going to do that through using a Phet simulation. So really all you need is the gas problem simulation worksheet, and you can find that by going onto our Google Classroom page, going into this work, going into day 2 and clicking the day 2 gases Phet simulation. As you can see, it says to follow the link below and answer the questions as you work through the attached document. When you're completed with the simulation, you're going to answer the 2 questions below. So if you click the gas Phet simulation, it's going to bring you to a document. You are going to be filling out this document as you work through today's activity. To get to the activity, you're going to click the link that is in the document. It was also posted on the Google Classroom page. That link should bring you to this page. What I would suggest is, unless you are printing everything, just pull your document off to the side here. Have your separate piece over here. Shrink them both up a little so you can see both things at the same time, so you can see what you do as you work through the problem. It's a pretty straightforward exercise. Remember we did something like this in class when we were looking at balancing equations, and it's very similar to that. You just have to look through the document. It tells you exactly where to go, tells you what to click, and asks you questions as you go. At the end of this document, you have some clarifying questions, and then once you finish those 3, you're done with today's activity. It shouldn't be too hard. It's pretty straightforward. And remember, if you have any questions, to reach out to me at any time. When you are done with this document, make sure you go back and revisit our Google Classroom page. And underneath where you got that original document from, there's 2 questions. Now, I've never posted questions like this on Google Classroom before, so I'm really hoping this works out. But how this will work is you'll just click the question and you can respond to it, I'm assuming. So how does the increasing the temperature of a gas affect pressure? And then you need to explain diffusion in your own words. How I think this happens is when you guys respond, you'll be able to see all of your classmates' answers as well. Just because your classmate has the same idea as you, that doesn't mean I don't want you to respond. Remember, you will be getting points for responding, so I want to make sure you're still doing your work. You may respond to your classmates saying you agree, you disagree, but don't just state that you agree or disagree. Make sure you state why or why not. I believe that is basically it for today. Again, yep, we're just working through the simulation. It's also linked on the PowerPoint if you can't find it. And then when you're done, make sure you answer the questions on the Google Classroom. Make sure you reach out if you have any questions, or pop on Zoom on Wednesday if you want to go over anything you're confused about. Thank you.